Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Crypto. Today we are sponsored by a iced latte from Starbucks. I hope you're all well. I have, of course, some exciting news for everyone today regarding our favourite XRP. You've seen it in the charts, members have seen it in Discord. XRP is currently above 50 cents. So I've got a little bit of news to dive into regarding XRP, of course, and then a little bit touching on the Bitcoin Ordinals that I'd mentioned previously in the past, and then also some news coming out from Bali, of all places. But more excitingly, for members, you will know that we've been chatting recently about the new CC Pro Alpha, which is a new section of Discord that is launching today for members only. I'm going to touch a little bit on that in a few minutes, so stick around for today's video. Loads to cover, loads of exciting stuff, and a few sneak peeks of some upcoming releases that we've been working on for a long time now, and we're kind of looking forward to letting everyone see it, hear it, and get involved. So first things first, we will of course start on today's prices. Let's just have a look and see. Well, of course, we'll start with Bitcoin, but I will get down to XRP and I will try and keep the hype calm until we get there. But Bitcoin at the moment is currently sitting at 27,792. Not much movement in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, again, not much movement either. It's 0.04%, so essentially not moved. It's currently sitting at $1,900. We then have BNB at $312. And XRP at just sitting above 50 cents at the moment, up currently 5.1% the past 24 hours, and up almost 10% this week. Then we have Cardano at 38 cents, Dogecoin at 0.07, then Polygon at 90 cents, and finally Solana at just almost $21. So other than XRP, the top 10, there has been zero movement, literally zero movement. Polygon's actually down, but other than that, yeah, XRP is the one that's breaking away. And again, if you followed us for, well, not for long, because we speak about this very often, you tend to see XRP does perform when other things don't perform. It's the strangest asset ever. It's almost another reason why we love it so much, because it is just a bit different, and people get upset about that. Bitcoin maxis or Cardano maxis or Solana maxis don't like the fact that XRP doesn't perform with the rest of the market. But if you know that, it's a good way to play the market. Anyway, obviously we have some upcoming news with XRP, so we could be seeing a little bit of a buy the rumour, sell the news type of event, especially with the upcoming June 13th kind of date that has now been fully anticipated to be the potential kind of release date of the Hinman emails, and in the potential for settlement talks for the Ripple and SEC case. I'm still holding myself back. I will let the market tell me what's happening. So far, so good. Does someone know something that we don't know? It's currently up at 50 cents. However, that does not mean that it can't see a visit back down to the 40 cents, 30 cents mark. So please be aware of that. We mentioned this as well, loads of times, but especially the past kind of few weeks to either Discord. I actually mentioned it yesterday that there could be a bit of a dip with XRP just before we do get some good news, and that's completely normal. It's a bit of a scary moment in the market, but it is tuned to the market. It's meant to be done. It's to scare people out. Just that final shake to scare people out before the price runs up and goes crazy. So yeah, be wary of that. Yes, amazing. We're up 10% this week. Fantastic. But also, let's be real here. Let's be realistic. Just be careful if you are buying, selling, or whatever it may be with XRP. Sit back, relax. Let's see what the market wants to do with XRP, and we'll see what comes out from the Ripple lawsuit in the next few weeks. But you know that I'll be here every single day, and I will be covering XRP probably every day until then, and we will see and keep you updated for what's going on. Remember, this is why I do this every single morning. I want to keep you updated, keep you in the news, and let you know what's going on without you having to do it yourself. Just put me on your phone, in your headphones, in the car, whatever it is, listen along, and I will take you along for the journey of the news that I find that you need to know about. Now, some more XRP news then. The XRP network has recorded the two of the highest spikes in address activity in its history over 2 consecutive days, according to blockchain analytics platform Sentiment. So that's exciting. This is from You Today. Again, another website that I don't use too often because I don't like the interface, but I do like the news articles, so we're going to see it through. Now, the data indicates that a mild 4% decoupling from the rest of the altcoin pack, hinting at a possible upswing for XRP if it follows a similar trend to the activity spike it experienced back in March 18th. On the occasion, XRP's price appreciated significantly in the weeks following the address activity surge. Now, XRP currently sits at just above 50 cents, up 4.2% at time of writing this, and exhibiting a strong 7.8% growth on the week. Well, we know that's actually higher now. It's over 9, more closer to 10. This mild decoupling and the consecutive days of heightened address activity indicate that XRP might be gearing up for a more decisive breakout, and its behaviour diverges from the broader crypto market trends. For instance, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the 2 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, have seen a relatively flat and shall we say, negative movements the past week. We covered this again last week. Bitcoin literally didn't move for a whole week, neither did Ethereum, and people were just starting to get bored. There's been a little bit of movement since then, but yeah, realistically there has been zero movement in the big players. These historical address activity spikes come at a time of increased attention to Ripple and XRP. The company has been embroiled in the high loss. Do you know what? I'm going to skip that part because we know that. I'm sick of saying it. We know we're in a lawsuit. It's been going since 2020. We know this. It's been 2.5 years. I don't know why every news article needs to repeat it. Again, this goes back to stuff that I've said before. I feel like these articles just could be literally 2 paragraphs long, and the person who's typing it just has to beef it up a little bit, so just inject just general stuff about Ripple, just stuff that has no meaning, it has no real context, there's no real point in typing it. We all know they're in a lawsuit, don't have to repeat it every single article that you post. Anyway, I'll skip the rest of that. Essentially, the most important part of this article that I wanted to cover was these 2 sections. The fact that there has been a decoupling from the rest of the altcoin market. We haven't seen this amount of activity for quite some time, and the last time that this happened there was a price increase. So yeah, all things are pointing to a price increase. However, let's stay real, let's not get too hyped here. We still have targets of much higher than 50 cents, so it's not even anywhere near where I would want or consider selling any XRP. So yeah, in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't mean that much, but it is a good bit of hype to have, especially when it's sunny outside. You're already in a good mood, plus your XRP bags are going up and nothing else is going up. So it feels good to finally have some movement in XRP. And this is why we say patience pays, especially with XRP, because it doesn't do anything for a long period. Then it really gets hyped and it really does stuff, it really moves, and nothing else moves. So yeah, for all you people that talk down on XRP, that don't invest in XRP or whatever it may be, I really hope that you're enjoying the pump in XRP, because you've had your time to enjoy the pumps and everything else. You've had your time to call XRP trash, to tell everyone that you're not investing in it. That's another thing as well. Just remember, just because you're not investing in something doesn't mean you need to tell people you're not investing in something or make a point of it, because 9 times out of 10 no one cares. And look, I do it sometimes as well, so I'm not trying to point the finger here, but just by telling someone I'm not investing in XRP doesn't mean that you're going to get any more attention or make any more money. No one cares. Just invest in what you want to invest in, and if something's pumping that day and you're not invested in it, don't hate on it. there's plenty of time for you to have a project that you're invested in that will pump in price, and then you enjoy the same feeling that that person enjoyed when their project was pumping. So yeah, so don't hate, just enjoy your own crypto price increases for the projects that you like and you're invested in, and yeah, we'll all get along just fine, eh? Anyway, XRP is looking good. I love it. Fantastic. Finally, some exciting kind of price action. It's not happened for a few weeks, or no, sorry, a few months. So it's nice to see. Now, I was on Twitter just obviously before and getting prepped for this live stream. And on the right hand side, we've seen here Binance, business and finance, the trending section of Twitter. XRP was trending. So I clicked it, and this is what I got. So I'm actually quite enjoying sometimes having some of these kind of trending tweets to click on and see what's going on. Usually it's a lot of nonsense, but I'm entertaining it today. So yeah, just the usual kind of suspects. XRP hitting 50 cents and the volume has spiked, which is good. XRP network has its second and third largest address activity. So this is the same company Sentiment that I just read about, in case you don't know who they are. So yeah, so that's great. Again, there's just a bit of spike. XRP broke 50 cents. Just a bit of hype in the market, which is great. As I did say yesterday, just be aware that because XRP is hyped at the moment, it is trending at the moment, be careful of some moon boys out there telling you that it's going to $100 and whatever it may be. Just please be careful. We all know, if you're a member of our community, then you'll know our plans, our thoughts, our opinion, and our kind of outlook on what's going on. And if you're not a member of the community, well, I don't know why you wouldn't be, but if you're not at the moment and you want to be, or you're a bit intrigued to what I'm talking about, there's a link obviously below that you can join. There's a lot happening today actually for members, but obviously the past few weeks, months, even years, there's been a lot happening. But today there is some activity for members. Now I know a lot of members will be watching this right now, so hello, shout out to the members of CC Pro. So we have, of course, something that we've dropped a little teaser about. I spoke to members on Friday to I didn't really give much of a teaser. I just, made a bit more of an announcement. But CC Pro Alpha is going live today for members. Members only. Because our members obviously stick by us and stay loyal, we release all of our projects, all of our updates, all of our announcements, and all of our kind of secrets of crypto to our members first, because we obviously we appreciate all the support. And CC Pro Alpha, what is it, you may ask? Members, you will find out today exactly what CC Pro Alpha is. Essentially, it is another part of Discord. It's an opt-in service. It's an upgrade opt-in service that not everyone actually needs, not everyone will be suited for, but it's just trying to cater for those members that we do have that do want something like this and have asked for something like this. So we have got a big part on networking, which is something we're very excited to bring to our members. And yeah, a lot more trades. I don't want to give away too much too soon because it is launching later on today. We do have a busy day today. We're recording a podcast, which is exciting. We are bringing podcasts to the brand, so look out for that. We're releasing that hopefully in the next few weeks. So we've got some Coffee and Crypto episode to get through today, which I hope you're all enjoying, and I hope you have liked today's video, by the way. If you haven't, pause, stop what you're doing, stop drinking your coffee, like today's video, and then we'll continue. Have you liked the video? Okay, perfect, thank you. So all of the likes are appreciated, of course. Now, Coffee and Crypto's done. Then we've got a quick catch up, and I've got a few updates to make to Discord, and then we have the podcast recording, and then we will have the full announcement and release of CC Pro Alpha. But listen, if you either are a member or are not a member and you really want to get to grips more and more and more about crypto, you want to learn more about seed rounds, you want to potentially get in early or early access to seed rounds, early access to 100x altcoins, you want to kind of be at the front runner, you want to be at the top table with some of the bigger kind of players, shall we say, in CC Pro, and CC Pro Alpha will potentially, without releasing too much, will potentially be that place where you can do that and network with these guys. So, yes, like I said, coming today, get excited, and I'm absolutely buzzing to bring this. Honestly, been working on it for quite a while now, and it's finally time to release. So, yeah, get excited, and there'll be more information coming later today. Okay, just to touch on a little bit of the news then. Obviously not as exciting as XRP and CC Pro Alpha, but Bitcoin Ordinals, I have mentioned this a few times on the channel. It's new. I like new things in crypto. So Bitcoin Ordinals surpasses 10 million inscriptions as the creator steps down. Now, I think my Wi-Fi is playing up a little bit, so please bear with me. The camera seems to be pausing a little bit, but we'll keep running. We'll keep running and hope that it plays itself and it works itself out. So the number of Ordinals inscriptions on the Bitcoin network has surpassed the 10 million mark just days after the creator stepped down as the project's caretaker. On May 28th, Coffee&Crypto, Casey Rodemar announced on Twitter he had stepped down as the project's lead maintainer, claiming that he'd been unable to give Ordinals the attention it deserved. Which, again, is what it is. The main thing here, I guess, is the fact that it's growing to 10 million within 6 months. That's amazing. That's incredible. Now, it launched only in January. Again, as I spoke to you before about, and rapidly became the most popular way to mint new assets on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ordinals originally became a way of inscribing data in the witness portion of Bitcoin transactions are written onto individual Satoshis, the smallest divisible unit of BTC possible. However, what truly sent the number of Ordinals inscriptions into overdrive was the advent of the BRC20 token standard in early March. The new token standard brought the synonymous developer, Domo, allowed users to mint entirely new tokens on Bitcoin for the first time in history. So, this could be why it has been super exciting on the BRC network. I brought to you, I think it was about a month ago, the BITGET had released some BRC20 tokens, and BRC20 has been really taken off. Essentially, it's this equivalent to ERC20 that we see on Ethereum's network. It's just now on Bitcoin's network, which has never been done before, which is why it has been so exciting. Now, we did see a lot of the meme coins actually start on BRC20, but we are now seeing it continuing to grow and grow and grow. Now, one sec, my Wi-Fi seems to have totally shut off, but we'll keep going, and hopefully that it still records. But yeah, BRC20 has been fantastic in terms of growth, and look, whether you're involved or not, it doesn't matter too much. The main thing is that it is growing to this size so soon. That is the most exciting part, especially in a bear market. Moving on to some BYBIT news. Obviously, you all know we are big fans of the BYBIT exchange, but BYBIT gets pre-approval in Kazakhstan as the crypto custody service provider. Now, this is big, a big news, or a big deal, should we say? Now, the exchange has announced its pre-approval on the Kazakhstan's Astana Financial Services Authority to operate as a digital asset trading facility and custody provider at the Astana International Finance Centre. The co-founder of BYBIT has said it believes it's a promising potential of the Commonwealth of Independent States as a region for growth in the crypto industry. He also stressed BYBIT's commitment to the compliance with local regulations. This comes after BYBIT was recently flagged by regulators in Japan for operating without registration. And it has always been our primary objective to operate our business in compliance with the relevant rules and regulations. Now, well, one of the reasons why I believe this is so big, and the reason I'm bringing it to you, is again, it goes back to what we say all the time. In bear markets, we look for projects and companies that continue to build and release new information and continue to try and push the growth of crypto. Another great example here is BYBIT now pushing in the midst of a bear market to get approval in a state of growth in an area of Kazakhstan. And I think everyone just thinks of Kazakhstan and thinks of Borat. I don't know why that just seems to be obviously so popular, but Kazakhstan is a very what's the word I'm looking for? A very built up and kind of financial pro area. So it's good to see that BYBIT, the crypto exchange, are seeing that and moving over and helping them kind of push and drive the crypto name forward. So again, great news. And BYBIT, if you don't use BYBIT, we use BYBIT for a lot of our trading. If you don't have a BYBIT account, of course, you can get a BYBIT account by clicking the link today in the description, and you get a sign up bonus of up to like $8,000 or something like that. I think it might be more actually, but it's there or thereabouts. So yeah, click the link below if you don't have a BYBIT account, get signed up, and yeah, let me know if you get a BYBIT account or if you already have one, because we use it quite a lot. Next then, a little bit of news from Bali. So again, this has been in the news the past kind of week or so. I haven't really touched on it so much, but apparently now that will be dealt with firmly. The Bali governor issues a warning to tourists using crypto. Let me get a quick drink here. I decided to go for a cold coffee today, by the way, because whenever I get a warm coffee, it ends up going cold anyway. So I thought, let's get a cold coffee and it'll be everlasting. Anywho, Bali's government is cracking down on tourists paying for goods and services using cryptocurrency. The island's governor is sending a reminder that Indonesians' fiat currency is the only legal tender. Now, I can kind of understand why. I'll get to that in just a sec. Now, the government-owned news agency reported that the Bali governor hosted a press conference the same day and said tourists who use crypto as a means of payment will be dealt with firmly. Strict actions range from deportation, administrative sanctions, criminal penalties, closure of business premises, and other tough sanctions. The meeting was attended by Bali's Chief Police Inspector, the head of Bali's Representative Office for Bank, and the country's central bank. They reaffirmed that crypto trading is allowed, but the use of crypto for payments is banned. So, look, again, I can understand why they're probably doing this. Bali obviously relies heavily on the tourist market and for its own currency to be used rather than crypto, because they can't really benefit from it at the moment. They can't make any money from that, so they want their own money to be floating about their own country, which again, look, you can't be mad at. They've not banned crypto entirely, they've just banned the payments of it, or the usage for payments. You can still mine it, still invest it, whatever, so that's not a bad thing. They are just wanting to crack down on paying for items with it and use their own currency. It's a tough time for a lot of countries in the world at the moment, especially tourist populated countries like Bali and Thailand and kind of that side of the world where it is big on tourists. So of course they want their own currency being used, so you can't be mad at it, and that's why he's went so heavily on the rules and the sanctions. So yeah, I understand, I get it. I'm really sorry about this cough. I hope it goes away through this week. It's been going on too long. Coffee&Crypto is what I should be renaming this video to, but we'll keep it Coffee&Crypto for now. Now, just to finish up then, a couple of articles. Literally, there's no news about this article. I just wanted to show you and kind of laugh at how much money is in this photo. You've got the Winklevoss twins and then CZ from Binance. All multi-billionaires from crypto, just in the one photo, just chilling in Dubai. Must be nice. So yeah, anyway, I don't even know the net worth of each of them because it won't be public. There will be a public net worth number, but the actual net worth won't be public. So yeah, a very expensive photo. I'm sure this will be an NFT. Look, do you know what? See if the NFT craze was still here, the NFT hype was still here, that would have been NFT'd and sold for probably millions as well. So I am glad we are away from that era. And then last, the new segment that I started yesterday was to go to Google, just type in crypto and see what we get. So let's have a look. Crypto, we've got anything, not much there. Crypto now braced for a $1.1 trillion Fed panic. This one's always good. Financial Times, they're always good at kind of producing some FUD. Cryptocurrency market struggles with transparency. I don't think it does, but okay. Russia drops plans for the crypto exchange. The EU is watching your wallet, but it still beats the US for crypto. Molly White tracks crypto scams. It's going just great. Yeah, there's not too bad or too many kind of rubbish articles out there. But yeah, this is my new segment in the video, just to see what because look, I'm not a huge fan of the media. We all know that. And if you know how to treat the media, and you know, we will go through and see what garbage or potential garbage the news is pumping out. Anyway, on that note of garbage news, my name's Don. Of course, you know that by now. This has been Coffee and Crypto. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. We do this every single morning. I turn up every morning. I was a little bit later today for the live stream, but I do post them every day on the channel for you to watch, listen, and enjoy. You could potentially put your phone in your pocket, put it in your headphones, go for a walk, put it in the car, have a listen, do the washing, go to the gym, whatever it is, get active, get outside, especially now it is sunny pretty much everywhere. So get outside, listen to this on the go, let me know your thoughts, drop me some comments on anything that I've covered in today's video, drop it a like, of course. Let me try and get, 50 likes on today's video, and I might buy someone a coffee. I said that last time and I didn't buy anyone a coffee because I don't actually remember why I didn't. But look, if you get me 50 likes, I will buy one person a coffee. That's a promise. Now, again, see you tomorrow for more of the same crypto news. Hopefully, XRP is still continuing to grow. But my name's Don. As ever, if you do want more from us, we are active all day in Discord, so please consider joining. It's on your screen right now. The link is in the top of today's description. There is big news, big announcements, and exciting stuff coming today from CC Pro. So get involved if you haven't already. Trust me when I say this, you will not regret joining this community. I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Have a good day. See you.